I'm gonna play a Subway Surfers video. We played it a while and I wanna show you guys play it. Well, basically you guys know it. Obviously, everyone knows how to play it. So I'm just gonna play it and just to show you how good I am at it. So I'm just gonna wait till it comes and then I'll take you to the screen when it comes up. So it's here and I'm just gonna tap to play. So I'm just gonna start. I'm telling you, I'm really bad at this. Oh, forget that. I'm gonna retry. I'm not that bad at it. Yeah, I'm bad. No matter how hard I try. Come on. You keep pushing me aside. Damn. I wish you could do like backflips and stuff. I need to collect this stuff. Got a special award or something. Swell. Swag. There we go. You're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, you're gonna be the lonely one. You're gonna be my score like no 103,000. More than that probably. One, two, 2, 3. What am I supposed to do? No. Oh, that wasn't my fault. I need time to move on. I need love to feel strong. 'Cause I've got time to think it through. And maybe I'm too good for you. No, I'm so bad at it. Why did you do this to me? Okay, last try. Last one. Oh. Already. I don't even know what it does. No. Oh my god. I'm telling you guys, I'm better than this. I'm just gonna show you my... Nope, not that. Me. Oh, I got an award. I got like 5 awards. Nope, I do not have... I got 62,000 though. That's new. So guys, that's it for today. Tell me if you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe to me please, because I have like 0 subscribers. I think I don't know how many subscribers. Please subscribe to me, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. So thank you. This is Cleon. Bye.
In the mix.